How to screencast your Poco F5 phone with a Samsung Smart TV. This also works the same for the Poco F5 Pro and any of the other Redmi Note 12 phone models. All right, so first things first, on your Samsung Smart TV, make sure you do have the latest software update on it, just in case you may need it to continue connecting any other wireless devices here. Then on your screen, make sure you have the no signal screen displayed on your smart TV at the moment to avoid any conflict when trying to use the screencast feature, okay? So now you wanna go into your Poco phone here and you wanna go ahead and use the quick panel access to find this toggle known as screencast. So you'll look for it here and it's gonna say cast right there. When you see it, what you're going to do is long press it, and it's going to take you to the cast options here, okay? So go ahead and turn it on now, and it's going to give you this prompt here. If it's your first time, you go with agree here, and then just go to settings, allow it for the location settings here, and let's go to app permissions, make sure they're all allowed. So just in case, I don't really understand why it would always ask you for a location, but yeah, so just go with all the time. And then once you're done with all that here, then just come back, and then turn it on here. And then it's gonna start searching for nearby devices here when you do this, all the setups and everything, right? And you'll see the name of your Samsung TV here. Go ahead and tap on it. And it's gonna start like trying to connect and process. And while it's doing that, you'll pay attention to your Samsung TV here. Right to the top right section, you'll see the Poco name here. And it's gonna say allow, deny, or close. So just use your remote control for your Samsung TV and then go ahead and just okay that with your remote control so that it can start to connect, okay? And then once you're done with all that there, you'll see this is gonna show up here like that. You'll get this option here to make changes to any of the settings here, minimize, cast with screen off, and a few other items here as well, okay? And then you got these here, stop casting and all that stuff with the Samsung TV, okay? So just in case you want to show things in landscape mode as well, make sure your orientation lock is not enabled here. So if you go to view something here in landscape mode, it's going to rotate on your phone, and it's also going to rotate on your TV monitor screen as well, okay? And that's pretty much it for this tutorial, okay? And if it doesn't work the first time, just try restarting your phone and do it a second time and it should connect, all right? So like, sub, thanks for watching.